What's up, I'm Kwani, back with another video. Today I got an unboxing of the Samsung curved monitor T55 27-inch. I've been wanting a new monitor for my setup for a while, and this one was on sale, and plus I had a lot of Best Buy certificates to use to redeem the lower price for me. There it is right here. I can't show you the front because it got my address on it, but I'm gonna change the camera angles, unbox it, set it up, show you guys how it looks. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the 3 monitor setup or I'm gonna go with the 2 monitor. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is right here, the box. I'm on the fan in the background. Gotta get some air circulating back here. And don't mind my setup and those, messy. There's the Matrix keyboard, still sitting pretty, looking gorgeous, and it's still an amazing keyboard. But I'm gonna clean this all up and rearrange it for this bad boy right here. I've been wanting a curved monitor for some time now. Finally got one for a decent price. Like I said, I have certificates on bestbuy.com that lowered the price, so I basically paid $60 for this, and this is priced at $280, I believe, or $240, not one of them. There we go. Well cut. Away from that. This box is huge. 27 inches. I forgot how big these are. I actually unboxed these on my channel as well. I'm gonna check them out. BenQ, rest in peace Kobe. BenQ monitors, double monitors. Now we got a Samsung to add. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do a 3-screen setup, or should I just replace this one with this curved monitor? Let me know, please. I'm still debating that. Here we have the wires, HDMI, and then we have the power. Put that to the side. This looks like a stand. Switch it up a little bit. Okay, so this is probably gonna be the stand. This is actually really heavy here. Alright, stick this stuff in there. Here is the actual monitor right here. I should unbox it the other way. Whatever. Let me get this out the box and show you what it looks like turned off, and then we're gonna turn it on, obviously. Alright, so I had to switch up the angle so I can take the monitor out because it's huge. Big. Alright. Up here, it's 27 inches. Make sure I don't drop it. Looks nice, right? Mm-hmm. There it is right there. Kind of see it. I think I'm gonna keep the plastic on. That thing is nice. Damn, that shit is huge. You see that? Compared to this one. Wow. Alright, so I'm gonna put it together and set it up, clean up this area, turn it on, and show you what it looks like when it's on. Nice, so gently turn it over. We'll put it here. Yeah. Wow, leave it up to the woman to do it. Good job. High five, yeah. Thank you. Now I just gotta put the wires in, and then it should turn on. All that stuff. I don't know. I didn't want to damage it, so I wasn't going hard on it. Let's make sure it's fine. I have the HDMI ready. Okay, the power wire right here. Okay, so that's not the power wire. It actually came with a brick. I'm such in a rush because I'm excited about this that I didn't even see it. Like that. Then take this and plug it right in. Okay. It's the last piece. It's gonna go up in the back fast. back. Everything's hooked up, but now I'm about to turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna power it on for the first time on camera. All right, there it is right here. Power button right there. A little dust on it. Wow. Look at that. I gotta adjust my screen because it's too wide. I have to make it the picture better. But look at that. That is nice. Look at that. I'm gonna play around with it real fast because I want to show it like to its full potential. I'm gonna test out the speakers on it too. There's a lot of people want to know about the speakers, including myself. So let me play around with the settings really fast. Okay, so played around with the picture, got it to look a little bit better. This curved view is really weird at first. This is my first curved monitor. Let me sit back a little bit. I'm gonna play a song. Yeah, gotta go with some Pop Smoke. Rest in peace, Pop Smoke. Let's go Dior. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I just forgot that copyright. So I'm actually just gonna go in the video, and we're at 2,408 subs, almost at 3K subs. So come on, let's get it. More basketball content coming out, by the way. Oh yeah, there it is.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video.
Wow.
Sean, back with another.
That sound is great.
There you go.
That sound is great. Way is 10 times better than my last monitor. My last monitor, you could barely hear the sound. I really want to hear some bass though. Let's do copyright free music. Okay, we're gonna see if we can hear some bass. Copyright free music. Great, man. I'm gonna keep playing around with this, and like I said, I'm gonna switch this over to my PlayStation monitor, and this is gonna be my PC monitor once the PlayStation 5 comes out. But for right now, I'm keeping it as my PC monitor, my streaming monitor, and I don't know if I should go with the 3 monitor setup. There goes my old monitor, or if I should just do the 2 monitor setup. But you guys let me know. What do you recommend? Are you getting this? If you are, you should get it now. It's the T55 Series 27-inch Samsung curved monitor. Please subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we're almost at 3K subscribers. Until the next video, I will catch you guys later.